There's a lot of difference in Elon or, some of the other guys out there that we talk about, the Warren Buffetts of the world. There's a lot of difference in those guys and a millionaire. A millionaire's living in a middle-class house, got 2 cars, got a nice Ford pickup most of the time. It's about ratios. I would take a swing with an amount, and the way I always visualize it is if I put that amount of money in the middle of my kitchen table and set fire to it, meaning the risk goes poorly, we lose the whole thing, okay? Does it affect my life? Is this a major setback? And if the answer is no, then you can take a swing with that amount of money. And so if you want to invest in Beanie Babies or Bitcoin or gold, or you've got this itch to start a business and you don't know what the flip you're doing, as long as you're not betting the whole farm on it and sliding all the chips forward like James Bond at the poker table going all in,